Mango is one of the most important and popular fruits in India and is referred to as the king of fruits because of its excellent overall eating characteristics. SS engineers and consultants manufacture and supply complete line for primary and secondary processing of mango and mango products. The plant offered includes fresh mango PackHouse, mango heat treatment sterilization unit, mango pickle making line, raw mango powder plant, mango puree, mango juice and jelly making plant. At SS Engineers, we offer complete plant on turnkey basis with required utilities, process know-how and recipes.
Here is the flow chart of mango post-harvesting. Mango harvesting. Pre-wash. Inspection conveyor. Brush wash. Mango washing and polishing. Air drying conveyors. Elevator conveyor. Size and weight sorting conveyor. Packing into the carton boxes. Stores. After elevator conveyor to hot water treatment. Cold stores.
Let us start with post-harvesting of mangoes.
Receiving the mangoes from farm, the first step is to remove the stems and keep the mango for desapping. Desapping is a process of removing the sap from mango fruit. After desapping, the mangoes are washed carefully for 2 to 3 minutes in alkaline water to remove the surface residue and the patches. It is then transferred to secondary wash fresh water with the watering foam brushes. The water on the fruit is wiped through the foam brushes here through this conveyor. The washing water can be recycled after filtration. After the washing process, the mangoes are transferred to the waxing and polishing conveyor to polish the surface of the product. After this process, it passes through the drying tunnel to remove the moisture, if any, left on its surface. Sorting is the grouping of mangoes based on the criteria of the one classifying, and there is no definite set of standards followed. The cleaned, polished mangoes are being sorted with respect to the size and weight automatically through computerized sorting conveyor. Through the fully automatic transmission, the mangoes are quickly and accurately sorted. It is a must-required machine for grading of the fruits. The sorted fruits are collected in respective crates for further the ripening heat treatment process. Mango heat treatment process.
After washing and desapping, mangoes need to be passed through hot water treatment to sterilize the fruit from inside. The raw mangoes are treated in a hot water at constant set temperature for a period which is proportionate to their body mass. The mangoes get naturally ripened after this process and the defect rate becomes to 0. During the treatment, it is necessary to keep temperature of water at specific level. As the fruit peel may injure due to direct contact with hot water, it is very important to monitor the temperature. The process allows loading the fruit through crates, which are dipped in the hot water tank, which has an automatic temperature control device through thermostats and sensors. The fruit crates duly assisted through dipping trolley raises automatically after the sterilizing process. After this process, the fruits are ready for box packing and dispatch.
Secondary processing line, raw mango pickle, vinegar manufacturing.
Green mango pickle is a hot, spicy pickle with a sour taste that is eaten as a condiment. It is made from unripe green mangoes that are fermented with lactic acid bacteria. Preservation is through a combination of salt, increased acidity, lactic acid, and to a small extent the added spices. There are several kinds of pickles sold in the Indian market. Mango pickle ranks first among all. Pickles are classified according to the method of their preparation. Vinegar pickles are the most important in foreign countries. Fruit pickles are generally preserved in sweetened and spices vinegar, while vegetable pickles are preserved in salt. In India, oil pickles which contain edible oil are very popular among them.
Pickle manufacturing flowchart. Raw mango. Washing. Peeling. Slicing. Putting slices in jar, sprinkling salt and oil mix. Salt, spices, oil, other ingredients, filling. Sterilizing the preserving bottle. Mixing spices and oil. Shaking the jar twice a day to mix the salt. Sealing and storage of the jar in ambient temperature. Mango pickle plant.
The unripened mangoes are selected for cutting. The mangoes are cut into 2 to 3 pieces in automatic slice cutting machine. The cut mangoes then travels through a de-seeding conveyor to remove the seed. After removing the seed, the mango slices pass through cutting machine to cut the mangoes into pieces, required sizes. The mango pieces are then mixed with a little salt, oil, ingredients and is stored in drums for some days as semi-finished product. This semi-product is then mixed with appropriate salt, spices and oil as required to form the final product. This final product is then packed in glazed glass jars and plastic pouches as required. This filling machine is specially designed for filling high viscosity products like paste, sauce, jam, face wash, lotions, etc. This filling machine is used to fill different shaped containers like bottles, jars, cans, etc.
Raw mango dehydrated powder and slices. Raw mango powder.
To make raw mango powder, sort the raw mangoes, those are hard and green in color. Peel the skin, cut them into slices, put these slices in SS trays, load these trays in a trolley and insert the trolley to the hot air oven. The cut mango slices should be dried in the oven at slow heat. The slices become light brown color as it dries completely with no moisture. These dried chips, slices can be packaged as lumps or can be grinded in powder mill to make the powder.
Mango pulp, puree and juice making.
Mango pulp is prepared from harvested fresh mango fruit. The fully ripened mangoes are washed, blanched, pulped, de-seeded, centrifuged, homogenized, and concentrated when required, thermally processed and aseptically filled, maintaining sterility. Mango pulp concentrate is perfectly suited for conversion to juices, nectars, drinks, jams, fruit cheese and various other kinds of beverages. It can also be used in puddings, bakery fillings, fruit meals for children and flavors for food industry, and also to make the most delicious ice creams, yogurt and confectionery. The preparation process includes cutting, destoning, refining and packing. In case of aseptic product, the pulp is sterilized and packed in aseptic bags. The refined pulp is packed in metal cans, hermetically sealed and retorted. Frozen pulp is pasteurized and deep frozen in plate freezers. The process ensures that the natural flavor and aroma of the fruit is retained in the final product. The sterilization process is taken in steam environment for 5 to 10 minutes right after can sealing, and then the cans are cooled to under 38 degrees Celsius. rotary type autoclave has advantages of energy saving, high productivity, easy to clean, etc., widely used in food, juice, pharmaceutical, chemical, beverage, and other industries. The main function of the canned food autoclave is to provide a sterile, sealed, and high-temperature space for the processing of canned food, to sterilize the canned food. Our Retort sterilizer applies to the sterilization of fruit juice, milk, beverage, soft drink, and other similar liquid materials, and it is suitable for aseptic packagings, like pet packing, plastic bottle, and glass bottle, etc.
Mango juice plant. Produce fruit juices, concentrated flavor drinks through SS Engineers. SS Engineers offers complete line for processing and packaging of juices.
This filling machine is specially made for viscous liquids such as concentrated juice, honey, butter, and cream, applied to a bottle of all sizes. It is widely used in industries such as food, beverage, cosmetics, etc. This liquid filling machine is full automatically. It is suitable for all kinds of bottles. Connecting with capping and labeling machine can form a whole production line. The liquid filling machine is reasonable in design, simple and beautiful in appearance, and easy in filling volume adjustment. The machine can be customized according to customer's request.
Major equipments: mango destroyer, receiving tank, transfer pump, pulp finisher, receiving tank, transfer pump, pulp preheated shell and tube heat exchanger, pulp storage balance tank. Sugar syrup preparation section. For mango pulp, and then it is mixed with sugar solution and all ingredients. Then the mango pulp is pasteurized and then allowed for packing. Major equipments: sugar dissolving tank, sugar solution transfer pump, inline filter, blending tank, screw pump, paste pasteurizer, balance tank, transfer pump, lobe type, buffer tank, insulated, packing section. Can packing for mango pulp, aseptic bag packing for mango pulp.
To keep yourself posted with the trending process equipments in the field of agriculture, keep watching our videos on our YouTube channel, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell.